morning, everybody. Oh shit, got it. I keep forgetting I'm fully strapped right now. Got it. Holy shit. Well, good morning. That was a rough start, you want to say. Well, just to start this video off, this video is mostly just to test my GoPro settings with my new mic and my new point of view perspective, you want to say, setting, which I'm in the super view, or I don't even know, man. When it comes to this GoPro shit, I am not techie at all. I've tried to make videos for you guys like this a handful of times, and it has never worked out. Something just always goes wrong. Either my camera dies or my setting is not working. So, you know, when I get close to the bike, all you guys see is the dash. So that's shitty. Well, finally I got it nicely set up, thanks to a couple of buddies of mine that hit me up on Instagram, and they went through the process on how to go through the settings and what kind of view I want and all that stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So hopefully it is working. If not, this whole video is gonna be pretty much pointless once again. And I should have probably wore another sweater, because god damn, it's cold. Woo. And right now I'm heading over to my son's baseball game in Apple Valley. It's cold, man. Hopefully it gets warmer, because I gotta get a sweater. I'm not turning back home. I'm already here. We gotta tough it out now, boys, because fuck this. Shush. It's a bit nippy. Stupid bump. Man, this road right here is super sketchy. This is Bear Valley. You guys will see right now how I personally don't like it, especially when I'm stretched. What the fuck?
Gay.
Strapped down, because look at right here is like a big ass groove. God damn. So that shit feels sketchy. If you don't know about it, it will definitely take over your bike and probably make you crash. A lot of people that ride know about that little section there, and you know, we don't even tend to split there because of the same reason. It's just super sketchy on how the road is. But yeah, I know I haven't been on here in quite some time. I think last time I posted a video, my bike was still cream, and now, as you guys can see, the cream is gone. I am on a full Carbonin USA full carbon fiber raised body kit. This thing is fucking nice, man. It's super light. Nice little third gear pull. I also got my motor redone and upgraded to a super stock by BPR Racing. I am actually tuned on C85 and MR12 now, but I can still run from E85, which obviously that's what I'm running on now, because I'm not going to be wasting my C85 or my MR12 to be riding on the road. But this thing pulls really nice. And then the top end, man, this thing just wants to freaking eat. Goddamn, boy. This thing definitely definitely a different beast from how I had it before. I was running E85 previously to all this from BPR, but man, they turned this bike into a monster. This thing honestly is day and night different from how it was. The first day I actually brought it out to test drive it, I almost whiskey throttled it going into the car meet. That shit scared the shit out of me and definitely humbled me down and showed me I had to get some seat time on this thing, because I definitely wasn't used to that throttle response, and it almost got me. So yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome of this thing. I actually took it out to Fresno to an event where I was actually able to try the MR12 for the first time, and man, this thing on MR12 is scary. I actually raced naked S1K, and I got him probably by like half a bike, man. It was right there. It was crazy. Okay, come on, bro. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Stupid ass. Shit like that gets on my nerves. People are fucking retarded. You get dumbass people up here like that all the time. This shit's crazy. Just no fucking knowledge of driving or anything. Oh man, it feels good when you're in a standstill, but when you're moving, this shit's cold. Whew, fucking freezing. It feels good just sitting here. Man, so hopefully the mic worked this whole time and everything, so I know to keep it on these settings. Yeah, my bike is fully strapped down right now, so this shit's riding like a damn Honda Civic with eBay coilovers. This shit fucking smacking my nuts, bro. Goddamn. Shit. That shit hurt. Goddamn. That shit just launches, bro. That shit's crazy. Woo! Fuck, it's fucking cold. thing loves these cold days, man. This is just smooth, baby. She's good to me. She's good to me. She's done me good. She's done me good, and I've done her good. It's a hate-love relationship we have. But she's done me pretty solid. Nope. Sheesh. We're getting into the hood over here, my boy. No, I'm playing. It's still pretty the good side of Apple Valley, but we're getting to Felony Flat, so we're getting there. We're not too far from all that, so not bad. It's hot today. It's hot today. It's hot today. Haha, there's Mike. What's up, Mike?